Students, how are you? Let's do maths. So my name is Rakesh Jha, and in this session actually we will be doing mathematics for JEE mains and advanced. So in this we will start the very beginning class with coordinate geometry. As you know that you have done little bit basics in 10th also, but for coordinate geometry what is more important is about the understanding of the basic geometry, basic Euclidean geometry that you have done in 10th grade, and then after this coordinate geometry, two-dimensional geometry basically that we say, and everything will start from the scratch. So let us see. So in coordinate geometry, we have a lot many things to do. So firstly, we will start with the coordinate system. In coordinate system, we shall be doing, let's say, shifting of origin and transformation of axis. Then we will do this basics of distance formula that you have already done, and section formula, both internal and external. And then after, we shall be talking about the basics of straight line and the coordinates of the triangles like centroid, circumcenter, incenter and orthocenter. And after that, we shall be dealing with a little bit of locus, and then our discussion, or we will move to the next chapter, that is straight line. And in a straight line, you know very well we will be talking about slopes, although I will give you the basics of slopes and everything in coordinate system only. And in a straight line, we will be talking about different equations of the straight line, like slope point form or 2 points form. We have like intercepts form and polar form, everything we shall be doing. And here pair of straight lines will also be included in this pair of straight line. And then finally we shall be doing the conic section. In conic section we shall be doing, firstly we will start with the circle, and then hardcore conic section is ellipse, parabola and hyperbola. Ellipse, parabola and hyperbola. Okay. So let's start the session now with coordinate system. Coordinate system. In coordinate system, we shall be talking about the lines and the coordinate axis. So this is the rectangular coordinate system. Let it be x, x dash, y and y dash. O is the origin, the coordinate of O is 0, 0. So here, you know very well that if you take any point P and let the coordinate of P is x, y. So x is basically the abscissa. Abscissa is nothing but the x coordinate, and y is ordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate. I shall be completing the entire JEE mathematics section from the scratch. So you have to tune with me. We will, as I am starting, today is the first class. So from the very basic, I am starting, and successively we shall be covering. Firstly, I will cover the coordinate system, the complete coordinate geometry. Then after, I will be covering solid geometry. Then we have to cover vector algebra. Then successively, we will be doing trigonometry, calculus, and algebra part. So first of all, you just try to understand, like, if this is the point, so everybody knows that what does this mean. It means we have the perpendicular here drawn from point P, and also from here. So you will see here, this is y. This is basically y, and this is x. Okay, so in coordinate system, if you have any point, so it has x coordinate and y coordinate. So x coordinate is abscissa and y coordinate is ordinate. Now I shall be deriving the basics of the distance formula. So what is the distance formula? So distance formula is nothing but, if let's say A and B are the 2 points, so it would be x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, where x1 and y1 and x2 and y2 are the coordinates of 2 different points. So I will explain that it in a diagram. I will prove it. So see here, ये हमारा कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस है. This is x, x dash, y and y dash. O is the origin, 0, 0. Let's take any point. In fact, we are taking 2 points. तो दोनों ही पॉइंट से एक लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं. So this is let's say point A and this is point B. A का जो कोऑर्डिनेट है वो x1, y1 and what is B, x2, y2. Now you have to find the distance AB that I have already written in the formula. We will prove it, how it is. So see, what we have to do, we have just to draw the perpendiculars from both the points, from A and B. And now again, join this. What do we observe here? Let's name them. This is point A, this is point B. Let it be P. This point, let it be Q. And this be R. So what we have to find is, in triangle ABR, in triangle ABR, we need to get the hypotenuse. Means we need to AB is equal to what? That's what we have to find. So for AB, we must, this is a right angle triangle. It's making an angle of 90 degree. So we know that AB square is equal to AR square plus BR square. So what is AR? AR is the base and BR is the perpendicular. So let's just find AR and BR. So entire distance from here, let's say the entire distance I'm talking about, ये डिस्टेंस जो है बी आर, यहां से यहां तक, बी से लेके क्यू तक का डिस्टेंस जो है, दैट इज नथिंग बट y2 और ये जो डिस्टेंस है, ये वाली डिस्टेंस है, दिस वन, this is nothing but this distance, so this is y1, so br will be y2 minus y1, br will be nothing but y2 minus y1. In a similar way, from origin to the point, this b, OB, so OB will be x2, and from here to here this will be x1, so this will be x2 minus x1. तो AR जो है that is nothing but x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Therefore, AB is nothing but root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula that we derived it very easily. Now moving to the next. Let's talk about slope. What is slope? Slope of a line, or we say slope of a tangent. So what we can do here is, there is a line, let's say any line is given. Firstly, we will draw the coordinate axis. And this is the line. So this line is basically, आप ऐसे draw कर सकते हो. We can do like this also. This line is making an angle theta with the x-axis, positive direction of the x-axis. Yeah, theta. This is theta. अब आप ये देखो कि यहाँ पे जो theta है, this is nothing but the tangent of this is slope. So tan theta is nothing but m, and that is slope. In the positive direction, anti-clockwise direction, whatever angle is made, that angle is basically the slope. उस एंगल का tan थीटा हमें निकालना है. इस एंगल का क्या निकालना है? tan थीटा. तो आप यहां पे देख सकते हो कि ये जो tan थीटा है, इसको हम कैसे निकालेंगे स्लोप. अगर हमारे पास दो पॉइंट है, जैसे पीछे था, in a similar way, just assume कि 2 points है. There is one is A and another is B. Coordinate of A is x1, y1. Coordinate of B is x2, y2. अब हमें क्या करना है कि we have to draw the perpendicular from these two lines. Points. यहां से हम एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप करते हैं और फिर यहां से एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप करते हैं. फिर यहां से आप इसको मिला दो. ठीक है. और इसका हम नेमिंग कर देते हैं. वी जस्ट नेम इट. तो A and B ऑलरेडी देयर, सो लेट इट बी, ये पॉइंट P है और ये Q है, ये R है और S है. ये सारे हमने पॉइंट्स ले लिए. इन ट्रायंगल APQ and triangle BAS। अगर इस दोनों ट्रायंगल को आप देखोगे तो दिस इज 90 डिग्री, दिस इज ऑल्सो 90 डिग्री। Now these two lines, AQ is parallel to BR. So it means angle APQ, that is equal to theta, will be equal to angle BAS, or this is nothing but corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. So basically all the three, if in two triangles, अगर दो triangle में two angles are equal, so third angle will automatically be equal. So this angle is going to be equal to this. This. Let me write this. This angle is equal to this theta, and this angle is going to be equal to this angle. Okay. So here, triangle APQ is similar to triangle BAS. So only we want to know that this angle and this angle both are equal. Even if you are not going to prove it similar, it is simply the concept of corresponding angles. So just you see this. आप देखो, अगर मैं ये ट्रायंगल नहीं भी लूं, then also it is not a problem. We can simply solve it. कैसे? आप देखो, if two, अगर दो लाइन है और if two lines are parallel, and then this will be the corresponding angle. This angle will be equal to this angle. तो यहाँ पे थीटा है तो ये भी थीटा हो जाएगा. हमें क्या चाहिए? We need the slope of this. So slope is nothing but we are talking about the triangle BAS. इस ट्रायंगल में हमें देखना है, BAS में देखना है. और इसमें है क्या देखोगे? तो यहां पर tan theta is equal to BS upon AS. बस छोटी सी चीज है, हमें ये देखना है tan theta is equal to BS upon AS. अगर ये BS upon AS है तो BS और AS की वैल्यू हमें जानना है. We just need to know the value और we will put it and it will be done. अब देखो, यहां से यहां तक DR क्या है? DR is Y2 और फिर SR जो कि AQ के बराबर है Y1. ये जो होगा this distance is nothing but Y2 minus Y1. In a similar way, फ्रॉम ऑरिजिन O से लेकर के R तक का जो डिस्टेंस होगा वो x2 होगा. और फिर इसमें से अगर OQ माइनस करोगे यू विल गेट OR, दैट इज नथिंग बट OS. तो OS होगा x2 माइनस x1. तो आप इसमें सिंपली tan थीटा क्या है? m है, दैट इज द स्लोप, एंड दैट इज y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1. तो दिस इज द स्लोप. स्लोप निकालना कितना इजी है, मतलब इट इज जस्ट लाइक, पहले तो ये समझना है कि स्लोप होता क्या है. स्लोप इज द एंगल ऑफ रोटेशन है, जितने एंगल एट पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन एक्स एक्सिस के साथ बना रही है, इसका tan थीटा जो होता है टेंजेंट, दैट इज m and that is the slope. Second है कि how to get the slope if the 2 points are given, one is A and another is B. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. और इसको हमने कैसे प्रूव किया आप देख सकते हो. यहाँ से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप किया, फिर B से भी परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप किया. आपको पता है AQ की जो लेंथ है वो y1 है, राइट. तो ये भी y1 हो. इधर आप देखो यहाँ पे dr क्या है? y2 है. तो y2 में से जब y1 चला जाएगा तो यू विल गेट दिस लेंथ. इन अ सिमिलर वे आप यहाँ O से लेकर के R तक की जो लेंथ है ये क्या है? वो x2 है, दिस इज h2. और इसमें से जो यहाँ से OQ की लेंथ है दैट इज नथिंग बट x1, तो आप माइनस करोगे तो यू विल गेट x2 माइनस x1. So that is the slope. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So easily we got the slope. Now moving to the next.